Well, today I have Rick Zarnicki here from Clear Shot Manufacturing over in Germantown. Welcome, Rick.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm wonderful. Thanks for coming on the call with us today. So we're going to ask you 6 questions in about 6 minutes, and this is called Business Success in 6 with Stacie. So thank you. Question number 1, when people ask you what your business does, how do you describe it?
We call it precision turning. So we make, that's a professional term, but we make the little widgets that most people don't think of that are components to things you use every day in life.
Okay. Wow. How long have you been doing this?
I've been doing this with this company for 10 years now.
Wow. Okay. So what were your plans when you started your business and how has that changed?
I was going to be the lone operator of my own business with no employees and run 3 machines and have a nice job for myself.
And has that
Um,
continued?
No, how it's changed is we now have 25 employees, a whole shop full of machines, and I don't work in the business much anymore. I work running the business.
Beautiful. And that's actually the definition that Action Coach calls a business, is a commercial profitable entity that runs without you. So that's huge. If you're running the business, you're doing it right.
Correct. I've learned a lot from Action Coach when I was there.
Oh, awesome. Thank you. So what is the biggest way that your company impacts the community or that you want to reach out to the community?
I think what we do and what my personal favorite is seeing all the employees that we have and seeing the growth that they have. And we are, we really push responsibility and accountability here. And I've seen employees come in as, young kids right out of high school, and now they're buying houses, they're raising families, they're really changing, they're getting involved in the community. So their lives are growing and based on the income that they make from this company. So it spreads out to everyone. They're coaches, they're school teachers with their other parents, and it's just a really neat thing seeing how we've grown and the impacts it has on people's lives.
Definitely that butterfly effect that just keeps on going, right?
Right.
Very cool. I love that. What is one challenge that you have faced that you'd want to share with business owners that they could learn from?
I think the biggest challenge is being able to have confidence in the people that you hire and trusting them to do that job and to get out of their way. So nobody's going to do it the same as you do it. Doesn't mean it's worse, doesn't mean it's better, but you got to give them the ability to do the job you hire them for.
That's huge. And oftentimes we learn from our mistakes quicker than we do when we're doing things right, right?
Absolutely. So
Awesome.
it's very hard giving up your different aspects of your own company, but having the faith to do that is key to growing. Otherwise, you don't let it grow because you keep your arms wrapped too tight around it.
Sounds like you almost get some freedom when you let go a little bit, huh?
I spend approximately 10 hours a week at my company now. So
Oh my gosh, congratulations.
they don't like it when I come out on the floor anymore.
No? Okay. Nice smile and see you later.
Pretty much. All is good here. See you later.
That is great. So what does the future look like for you then? And do you have an exit plan?
Yeah, actually I'm the 10-year mark here. I'm retiring this winter at the end of the year. So I've gone over it with my guys and empowering them to run the shop as they've been doing, and giving them the goals that they need to reach, and getting them involved in the financial aspects that I do. And I'll be stepping away and spending a lot more time out on the frozen lakes and things like that.
That's amazing. Love it. So in the last question, all subjects totally open. What inspires you most?
Um, I would probably say seeing the success of my employees and seeing their growth. That was one thing I really missed when I was doing it myself. And I really love seeing guys doing well and getting big raises and, driving new vehicles into the shop or buying brand new motorcycles, whatever it is that makes them happy. It's inspiring and makes me happy at the end of the day.
Absolutely. That's beautiful. Thank you so much.
All right, thanks.